Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brelynn, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some Halloween outfit ideas. What is it called? Halloween costume ideas for budgeting college students. So y'all know I know, okay, it's getting about that time. It's late October and you were not planning on going out for Halloween, and now it's getting closer and closer and everybody's like, what are you gonna be? And you're just like, I don't know. Yeah, that's me every single year. When I was little, I don't know about you guys, but I did not celebrate Halloween, and so it always like leaves my mind that Halloween is a thing that people really do. And in college, people really do Halloween. So I'm gonna give you guys some outfit ideas that are like really simple and easy to do. You could possibly already have these pieces in your wardrobe. If not, shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can purchase some things on Poshmark to create your costume. These are things that you can possibly use again in your wardrobe, and it's not like you're just not buying a costume that you'll only wear one time. So I'm going to do one with you guys on my Poshmark app, and then I'm just going to explain the rest of them because, you know, we ain't got time to be doing all of that. So without further ado, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So the easiest thing to do when it comes to costumes is to replicate a regular person or like a character from a movie or a TV show. So for the one character that I'm going to show you guys how I got the outfit together from Poshmark, I'm going to do Sandy from Grease. Now everybody has seen Grease, and I think that that's really easy when you're using a character that people have seen before. So for Sandy, obviously she has like curly hair. My hair is like curly right now. It's not gonna be curly, but just imagine it's curly. And then, you know, in the end of the movie when she's like a bad girl, I've never seen the whole thing of Grease, but I think that she goes bad, something like that, and she wears all black, right? So I would suggest that you get like an off-the-shoulder black top, a leather jacket, black pants, maybe that could also be leather. I don't know if that's too much leather, you know, just see what you can find. Also some red heels, and I feel like that would just go ahead and put together, oh, and a bandana that you would tie around your neck like a handkerchief, and that would make it look like a Sandy from Grease outfit. So I will show you guys how easy it is for you to create your own costume using real clothes that you're going to wear again through Poshmark. So you can see here that, and I just searched on Poshmark a black off-the-shoulder top, and I found this really cute one from Boohoo actually, and it's really cute and off the shoulder, something that I would wear again, and I feel like it really gives me that like Grease Sandy vibe. So that Grease Sandy vibes. It's actually in the size that I would wear, and it has free expedited shipping. So for $16, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my cart. Now, for example like this, if you didn't have the top, but you did have the leather jacket and you already had the pants, then all you have to do is get the top, and you've only spent $16 on an outfit. So to make sure this video isn't too long, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the rest of my outfit ideas for Halloween if you guys wanna use them as costumes. So the next thing that you can be is Regina George, obviously from Mean Girls. We love a Regina. That's also really easy to do. I'm thinking about that classic scene where they cut a hole in her t-shirt. So you would just need a wife beater and a purple bra, cut holes in it, and then maybe wear some jeans, or I'm pretty sure she was wearing jeans, and then some heels. Everybody will automatically know who you are. So if you're a college person, you're going to a party, it's like, oh, that's so cute. Or if you're, you know, bar hopping or something, it's something that's casual and simple. You'll be comfortable, and everybody will immediately know who you are. Next, you could be Cher from Clueless. Obviously, this is an easy one, but it's something that, again, people will definitely recognize. If you have anything that's yellow and plaid, girl, put that joint on and become Cher. If you're a woman of color, you know what I'm saying, you want to be Dion, rock the red plaid, you could do that. We love a Cher look. We always think that Cher is cute. No, too many people can never be Cher for Halloween. We love a good Cher. Next, you could be Robbers. I think this is also something really easy to do because, again, it's all black. All black, those are the best ones. Or you could have like the striped tops. If you could find a striped top, check Poshmark. That'd be really cool. Then you could get like a beanie for your head. You could maybe like DIY a mask, get some like gloves, and you could also get like a white pillowcase. If you know you don't want it, you can like scribble the money sign on it. If not, you could just carry it around with some stuff inside of it and go like this, and people will be like, oh, okay, I get it. You know, simple. Next, you could be Dorothy. This one is also really easy to do. I actually have the costume for Dorothy, so yeah, you have that one. You could also be a cop. I've been a cop before. I'm giving you guys ideas, the ones that I've actually been in college that I like and I think are cute. You can be Wonder Woman. You guys, if you remember way back, I believe it's my sophomore year, I did a Get Ready With Me for Halloween and I did a Wonder Woman costume. So I'll link that in the cards right now and down below if you guys want to watch that to figure out like where I got my costume from and how to do your makeup and stuff for Halloween. I don't know. I just thought I would go ahead and mention it because I have been Wonder Woman before and that was cool. I've also been a bunny. I've been a bunny like 2 times. A bunny is super easy and it's also really cute if you're with other people, and it's cute if you want to do it with a guy because then he could be Hugh Hefner and then you could be like a Playboy bunny, or you could be like an Easter bunny if you don't want to be like explicit. Whatever floats your boat. You could be basic and be a cat, or you could be a mouse, or you could be a tiger, or you could be anything where if you just go to like Claire's or Icing or the party store where you just get some ears and put them on, then put the little, don't forget those costumes, okay? Because you still end up looking cute. Get you a good leotard and you're good to go. One that I think is also super easy to do is like a boxer girl. So if you have one of those like silky robes, you can put that on with like some boxer briefs and a sports bra. If you have gloves, girl, you got it. So that's a really cute outfit that a lot of people don't think of. Next is Kim Possible. I feel like that one is also really easy to distinguish. If you have like a black top, black gloves, cargo pants, if you have like that orangey red hair, of course that's perfect. But if not, you know, don't worry about it. I think that people will get it. Even if you carry your phone around or all day, you're just like, what's the stitch? People are gonna be like, oh, okay, I get it, you know. It's easy. I've also been a black swan. I think I did this like my senior year of high school for like a character day, and again, it was super easy. If you're into makeup and you want to do something that's more makeup related and kind of just put something on, a black swan is a good idea because you can do like these really pretty like elongated cat eye with feathers and stuff, or like, you know, you could play around with your makeup and then you could just wear a leotard and a tutu, or you could wear all black. I wore, I believe, a leotard and a tutu, and tutus are like a couple of dollars. You could also get them at the dollar store at this time of the year. They're basically everywhere, Walmart, Target, wherever you want to get them from. I'm a dancer, so I had point shoes, and I remember I literally was on point all day because people were like, let me see, let me see. But of course you can just wear black shoes, or you could wear like ballet flats. The last thing, which is one of my favorite costumes that I've ever been before, I believe this was my, it's either sophomore or my junior year in high school. Again, when we had character day, that's when I really started to get into dressing up, because our homecoming week was always the week of Halloween. So our character day was like somewhere near that time. Anyway, me and my 2 best friends at the time, we were the Cat in the Hat and Thing 1 and Thing 2. Thing 1 and Thing 2 is also super easy to do. If you have like one, you and your best friend, you can wear all red. Girl, cut it out. Now my friends, they got these really cute blue wigs and they cut them, and then they wore like red bodycon dresses. So they was like the cute Thing 1 and Thing 2. And I had this random black and white dress that I believe I got from Cotton On, but again, it's like 10 years it's like 10 years old at this point. But it was a really cute Cat in the Hat like looking dress. And then I think I just bought like the accessories online on Amazon. Amazon Prime will be your best friend if you do want to buy like a couple of like pieces, you know, like the bunny ears or the Cat in the hat, whatever it is. So yes, y'all, then I drew my little whiskers on, and I remember that was the first time I ever wore lashes. It was memories. It was so cute. But yes, guys, so Cat in the Hat, Thing 1 and Thing 2, that's a perfect outfit, like group costume idea for a group of 3. So those are all of my costume ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I helped you guys. I know when it was time for me to think of costumes, it was like even the simple things I couldn't think of. So tell me what I should be this year for Halloween. I honestly don't know. I kind of want to be a deer and do that thing where, you know, you do, because I'm more so of the wear a cute outfit and put a, you know, some makeup on. I may want to do the whole deer thing, or I may want to wear Wonder Woman because I haven't worn that in a couple of years. We'll see what I am. So go ahead, comment down below if you are going to do any of these costumes, or if not, what costume you're going to do. Tell me what costume I should do. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, the way you don't miss a video from me, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. Yeah.